grass is growing, the river is flowing, the wind is blowing, and somewhere it's snowing, but that's okay with me. I love nature. I love nature. Boy, how I love nature. The rain is wet, but I'm okay. The thunder is loud, but I'm okay. The lightning is flashy.
Really?
The hurricane is scary.
Scary!
I love nature.